Alright, we're going to redo the LR3 lights. So I got a replacement one since the original one's kind of burnt right here. We're going to use this kit again. Very successful last time. Here's our steps. We're going to do the 800 twice, 1500 twice, 2000 twice. Then we're going to compound it. 3 coats of clear cover. Then hand sand it with the 1000 grit, hand sand it with 2000 grit. Then do compound by hand, wax it, and then buff it. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first pass of the 800 grit. We're going to get it good and wet. Okay, this is the first pass of the 800 grit. So a lot came up. So we're gonna clean it real quick and then do it again. Okay. All right, so we just cleaned it. This is the result. So I'm gonna hit it again with the 1500. Get it nice and wet. We're gonna do another one. So this is the what it looked like after the using the sand for the second time. So we'll so it's still got up some more. So that's the reason we did it twice. So I'm gonna clean it, and then we'll go. So we're gonna do 1500 now. Again, we did 2 passes at the 800. So now we're gonna do 1500. All right, so that was the first pass of the 1500. So we're gonna clean it. We'll clean it and then do it a second time. All right, so we did the 1500 twice. So this is what it looks like. It's still picking up. We're sanding it down. So this is what it looks like after 1500 twice, 1500. So I'm gonna get it wet. Got the 2000 sandpaper wet. So this is what it looks like after one pass of the 2000. So we're going to clean it and we'll run another pass of it. All right, this is what it looks like after 2. So I'm going to clean it at the second. This is after the second pass of the 2000. So I'll clean it, move to the next step. All right, so this is a compound. So before I did the compound, I did soapy water, then I did clean water, then we did a compound. Just one pass, but it was within the first pass. We went over it a bunch of different times. Okay, so we've sprayed 3 coats of the clear coat on it. So now we're going to do a 1000 grit hand sanding. All right, so this is sanded it with 1000 grits, and now we're going to do 2000 grit hand sand. All right, so this is after compound polish just by hand, and that's what we got right now. So now we're going to do a layer of wax to protect them. All right, that's the finished product. So we waxed it, buffed it. So they don't look brand new, but they look a whole heck of a lot better than they used to. All right, so we're doing the grill with the truck bed liner. This is the same stuff used for the front and rear bumper and also the wheel arches. So I think it's gonna look good, it's gonna pop. So we've got 2 coats on it so far. I think this third one will be it. All right, so here's a picture of the product I use, the Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. Works pretty good. So here's the picture of the LR3 now with the painted grille and the headlights all cleaned up, refurbished. I was able to get another grill from a salvage yard for about 25 bucks. So I've got the original grill if I ever want to go back. But I kind of like this look.